This tutorial, TikTok account recovery password online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so basically with the TikTok account recovery, if you forgot your password, I got you. All you really need to do is just attempt to log on to your TikTok account, and basically if you click login, you should be able to log in. But if you cannot do so because it's basically asking you to click two objects that are the same, we'll be right back. As you can see, now it's gonna say this: your username or pass doesn't match your records, try again. Then you can click forget password on the bottom left hand screen, and as you can see it says enter your email address of your TikTok account, and basically once you do so you will get a code. However the code may be, in this case this is for test example purposes, re-put your password, or this might reset your password after you put in your code, and then you can click login completely for free.